So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to get this word aquifers inside of your GIS software, just like this. So without further ado, go to your search engine and look for this organization. Click on the first result you will get. You will be directly redirected to this website, or simply click on the link under the description below. So on this website you will find a lot of information about groundwater data, more specifically about so here go to data and click on data set. You will get this page, so you can scroll down and read more information about this project. So in order to get our GIS data, we will click on this global groundwater information system here on this button. You will get this page. So in here again we are going to use this transboundary aquifers of the world map. Click on it. You will get this web GIS. So from here we can download our data. We are interested in this layer. In order to get the latest data, check this 2025 data. You will get here this result. If you want more older data sets, you can choose here any data set that you want. So here we'll check 2025. As you can see, this is the map of the global aquifers of the world. Now the question is to get this data inside of our QGIS software. So in order to do this, click on this layer that you want to download, click on this button, and here you will click on export data. You will get this window where you can choose the file format. So in our case we are going to work with zip file. You can also get other formats. For the spatial reference system we are going to use WGS 84, and we will click on export. Go down here to this button again, click on it, and here this is our layer, so we are going to click on this save button. Now choose where you want to save your data and then click on save. Now get back to your folder. You will get this folder that we have just downloaded. Right click on it and click on extract here. Inside of this folder you will find another zip file. Click on it and click on extract here. Now you will get your folder with your file data. Now in order to open this file I will use a GIS software. You can use ArcGIS or QGIS. In my case I will use ArcGIS. So inside of ArcGIS I will select all my files and I will click and drag them inside of ArcGIS. Now inside of this web GIS you can also download other format of data. You can download other data sets, like for example the river basin of the big rivers of the world. You can also download this data. We will first of all uncheck the aquifers data and we will click on our river basin layer, and we will click on this button and click on export data. Here you can choose the format that you want. For me I will go with zip file, and I will use WGS 84 for the spatial reference system, and I will click on export. Here again I will go down to this button here, and then I will click on this layer in order to download it here. Again you will get a window to specify where you want to save your dataset, and then click on save. If you get back to your folder you will find a new folder named result 1. Right click and extract it. Inside of this folder you will find another zip file. Right click and extract it. Again you will get your files. Now I will go ahead and add them inside of my GIS software. Now I will select them and I will drag and open them. So here we go. Now you got your worldwide river basins and also the worldwide aquifers. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. If so, please like this video and subscribe if you want to get more of this kind of tutorial.